case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit heard the 2012 case of Sunbeam Products, Inc. v. Chicago American Manufacturing, LLC, which centered on the consequences of contract rejection in bankruptcy. Lakewood Engineering and Manufacturing Company had contracted with Chicago American Manufacturing, CAM, to manufacture box fans bearing the Lakewood trademark. After facing financial difficulties, Lakewood sold its assets, including patents and trademarks, to Sunbeam Products. The bankruptcy trustee rejected the contract between Lakewood and CAM, but the bankruptcy judge allowed CAM to continue using the Lakewood trademarks as they had already invested in producing fans with the brand. When Jarden Consumer Solutions later bought Lakewood's assets, they did not want CAM to sell the Lakewood-branded fans, so Lakewood's trustee rejected the CAM contract. Despite this rejection, CAM continued to produce and sell the fans, leading to an adversary action filed by Jarden. The court ultimately affirmed the judgment for CAM, finding that the trustee's rejection of the contract did not abrogate their contractual rights, according to Section 365(g). This opinion created a circuit conflict and was circulated to active judges, none of whom favored an en banc hearing.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.